There are a lot of different shapes of patios, and all of them are really unique, but an L-shaped patio can really be a difficult one for a lot of people to style. And I wanted to show you how we did it in this L-shaped space. Basically, it's really simple. This L-shaped patio, which extends over this direction, my left, your right, we took the corner of the L, and that's where we placed our fire pit area. So essentially, you're creating a round space that everyone can still move around in that L-shaped area. You could put a round dining table here. I would not suggest doing a rectangular table in this space. I like the idea of it being round here in the corner and then doing something rectangular in the longer portion of the L, which I'll show you here as you follow me around into this space. You can see that we've done a dining table set here. Of course, this could be any type of configuration you want. We've got 6 chairs in this space, but of course you could do benches if you like. I don't love benches, but if that's what you love, you can do that. You can see it's a nice wide space, so we had to make the choice. Do you go right smack in the center? The answer for me is no. What I want to do is to move my furniture to the side just slightly, so I leave this walkway open. I also didn't want to place my furniture up against a window. I wanted it for it to be closer to the retaining wall. So again, you still have that space to walk by, and you're not pushing things up against a window. You can still be inside looking out into this beautiful furniture that's out in this space. So truly, designing for an L-shaped patio space really does take a little bit of thought, but if you're intentional about how you do it, it doesn't seem like it's crowded and it doesn't feel like it's small at all. And this is a pretty small patio space. So take that into consideration whenever you're designing your patio. Put the round thing, whether it's a fire pit or a dining table, in the corner of the L, and then save the dining or rectangular shaped patio set for out in the long straight space.